Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back here at my favorite spot, I guess you could call it. Beautiful out here once again, but I just wanted to go over with you how much I pay a month for this car. In my first video, I revealed that I paid $3,700 for the car after the loan and the tax and all that. So I did that on I believe it was a 5-year loan. Actually, it was 6 years. And I went in there with a little bit of a down payment. So my down payment was, after the car I traded in, and my total down payment was, I think, about $3,000 or so. So after all that, my monthly payment is $568 a month. So it isn't too awful, but I also went in there with pretty good credit. I had a decent down payment. You know, it wasn't the worst. I went in there with about $7,000, but they wouldn't let me do it all because it was all gonna be on a card and they needed cash for that much. So, and that's not the end, folks. So this part is for all the kids that are wondering if they're gonna be struggling after they get this car. I know there's a lot of you. The advice that I have for you, if you have to worry at all about not being able to afford this car, you cannot afford this car. And that goes for any car, not just this car, any car. If you have to worry about it, you can't afford it. You know, I made a mistake back when I was 21, young buck. I leased a brand new car. I leased it, and my payment was only $370 a month. Now I was making pretty good money. I'm 34 right now. Back then I was making pretty good money for my age. It was a Jetta, and the bank had it back within 8 months. The bank had it back. So if you have to worry about being able to afford this car, the bank is waiting for you to come in so they can have this car back on their lot within the next 8 months. A lot of the crowd watching this video, you're either a dad gonna buy this car for your son, but for a lot of you that are getting this car on their own and that you're in your 20s, you're a teenager, whatever, that's not the end, man. There's more per month to this car. Given the fact that you're young and you have bad credit, you're probably gonna have to have a higher monthly payment than me. And I worked my credit up to close to 800. You know, I went there with a decent trade-in and a decent down payment, etc., etc. But yeah, that 570 is not where it ends. You have to have full coverage insurance. I'm over 25. I have a pretty good driving record. I pay, I think, $196, let's call it $200 for insurance on this vehicle. So that right there jumps up my monthly payment from $570 to $770 with insurance added on. Then on top of insurance, you have to factor in general maintenance, gas, stuff like that. Over a 1 month period, moderate driving, you're probably gonna spend about $120 a week in gas if you get 93, possibly more than that. That's another $460, $480 in gas per month. So that jumps us up to about, let's see, 570 plus 200 plus, let's say, another 450 for gas a month. So that's about 1150, 1200 bucks right there per month when everything's factored in. You probably won't have to do any maintenance for a couple of years, but there could be something. You could chip your window. A new window costs a few $100s. You could pop your tire. A new tire costs a lot too. But yeah, I just wanted to go over how much I spend a month on this car alone, and that does not include any of the mods you want to do. Especially if you don't install the mods yourself, you're going to be paying a lot of money to have someone do it for you. If you think you can afford all these things, go ahead and get it. I'm in a position where, you know, I probably make that much in 5 or 6 days doing what I do. So it doesn't bother me paying that much. But for you kids out there, that $1,200 a month, if you're lucky, probably your entire salary when you're just getting out of high school, in college, just getting out of college, whatever. Like I said, if you have to worry about affording this car at all, then you can't afford it. That's just what it is. It's a hard pill to swallow. Accept it. Get something else and get your credit up. Find a better job and get yourself to a place where you're comfortable enough to be like, well, it's not an issue for me to afford that anymore. So other than that, that's all I have to say. Go ahead and go get yourself a Honda Civic Si. if you can afford it.